Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about how can you visit internet safely. Every day we are accessing internet and visiting so many websites. Okay, we are dealing with so many domain names and what if there is a system that can help us to tell us or inform us prior, yes, this domain name where you are trying to visit is malicious or having some kind of a code which can be perform attack on your PC, okay, on your end device. Okay, there can be attack like a ransomware attack, or it can be phishing, or some malware is execute on that particular website. Okay, so just to make the internet safe, there is a service or a company, we can say OpenDNS, okay, which DNS providing us when we are just typing the URL. Okay, so what exactly is the IP address of the URL, then who will resolve it? DNS. So that's having the record of particular domain name and the IP address is associated with that particular domain name, okay, and where it is. Clear? So just you can see here in the this particular diagram, there are the domain name and the IP address is clear. So if, for example, I am here and trying to access this particular website, that is abcadmin.com, okay, and it is having some very interesting software or the tool which I'm just going to use for hacking, okay, and if just I will download that particular tool which is having malicious code, and in the background when I'll install in my PC, then definitely attacker can perform attack, and whatever the information they want to steal or whatever the damage they want to perform on my PC, they can do easily. Okay, so here OpenDNS will provide us that facility. So anyone who is accessing internet, so it will tell us, yes, particular domain name is not safe. Okay, so this will save us from multiple kind of attacks. Okay, so here it just saying we see where attacks are staged, so they are having the list of the domain name. When this particular domain name registered, they just trying to figure out is that safe domain name or not. If that not safe, they just blacklist it and will inform us, yes, this is not a safe domain name, so just don't visit. Clear? And guys, it is free, anyone can use it. Okay, if it is for the consumer, like individual want to do it for the family, then definitely that's free, OpenDNS. And if the enterprise network want to use, because multiple nowadays most of the companies or we can say all companies are accessing internet, and when they have such facility, that will be a great advantage for the enterprise to giving the safe internet access to their employees. Okay, so if you are an enterprise and want the security for the your safe internet access, then you can go on umbrella.cisco.com. Otherwise, if you are an individual and want to have access for the faster internet experience, safer and the more reliable, then definitely you can click on that particular link. And when you will click in, and this is available on the website OpenDNS.com, in the web browser type in this this URL, okay, or the domain name, and then it will send you on the website of OpenDNS. Over there you will find this option, consumer, individual, can click here, and on the next page it will give you two options, whether for the family or just for the individual. So for example, if on my laptop particular I want to apply this secure access, the OpenDNS service, then what you can use? Okay, so here you need to sign up. Clear? And when you will click on the sign up, it will ask you the details, and you need to fill all the details. For example, say it is just asking your email address, okay, which countries do you belong, and it will ask you to create the password. Clear? After filling all these detail, click on get a free account, and it will provide you an account access for the OpenDNS. Okay, and on the next page it will show you the IP addresses for the DNS. Okay, these IP addresses you need to note it down, because these IP addresses we are going to use to enter in the IP address of the DNS in our the configuration of our LAN card. Clear? And here is on which device you want to use, whether you are using a home router, you want to configure these DNS, or just only on the computer or the laptop, servers, smart devices. So which devices you want to choose, just click on that, and it will give a list of your device type, which device you want to configure. Okay, for example, on Windows 10 you want to configure. Okay, and then click on the Windows 10 configuration. Over there it will just show you where it will just show you the particular article how to configure that DNS entry in your device. Clear? And in the here we assign the IP address, the DNS name. Over there, what were the IP addresses we have we just got at that point? Clear? Like 202.67.222.222, and this is 220 in the last. So these IP addresses you have to enter here, and then click on that sheet. Okay, after doing this one, when we are surfing on the internet, first they will check in that the particular domain name and whether that's malicious or not, and if that will be malicious, it will inform you this is not safe to visit, and so it can provide us the extra layer of the security on internet access. Clear? So in this the very simple steps you can save yourself on internet accessing. You can follow me on the Cybersecurity Prism, so that you will get the notification for the next session, and share that information definitely with your friends, so that they can also save themselves from different kind of attack that exist on malicious websites. Clear? And in the next session I will discuss about how can malicious Android apps exploit coronavirus panic. Nowadays everybody is under the this panic, and how the hacker can send you the malicious app and can exploit your devices. Namaste. See you in the next session.